Hello students, welcome back to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. So now for a series for Madras School of Economics 2025, we have come up and here we are having the question 24, the original sample question from 2025. So it's on Competition Act 2002. So replaced which act in India? So Competition Act 2022 replaced the Monopolies and Restrictive Trade Practices Act. That is 1969 in India. So MRTP Act was initially designed for what? First let us know MRTP Act. So this is acronym is abbreviated form. So Monopoly and Restrictive Trade Practices, MRTP. It was initially designed first to prevent monopolistic practices and promote competition. This is for the first role. And then, however, with the changing dynamics of the global economy, it became necessary to establish a more comprehensive framework for promoting and sustaining competition. So, which led to the Competition Act 2002. Now, what are the difference between the two? The MRTP Act, which was there, it focused more on preventing monopolistic and promote and restrictive trade practices. But the Competition Act, which came up on 2002, it provides for the establishment of CCI, that is Competition Commission of India, which is responsible for what? It is responsible for regulating and promoting competition in market by addressing anti-competitive practices. Anti-competitive practices. So the Competition Act was replaced by this act and this is the features. Next question we are having India on Indian economy agricultural part. So India has introduced which of the following revolution? Is that green revolution, white revolution, blue revolution or all of the above? So India has introduced several significant revolutions. We have seen several significant revolutions to improve its agriculture and economic development. Green revolution, white revolution, blue revolution. So actually it is all of the above. So let's know a brief. So your answer is all of the above, but let's know a brief that what are all these revolutions are, because all the things are important. So what is green revolution? Green revolution, which was started in 1960s, it focused on increasing agricultural production first. So here, through the use of HYV chemical fertilizer, they increased it, primarily targeted food crops like wheat and rice. This was all about green revolution. Next, we are having white revolution. What was white revolution? It is known as operational flood. This revolution, which began in the 1970s, it transformed India into the largest producer of milk in the world, and it aimed at increasing milk production and improving the dairy products. As you can understand by the name, it was according to the products, the white revolution, green revolution related to agricultural products, like this they have named it. So it was a dairy products which was being considered under this. And finally we have blue revolution. As the name suggests, it is for the fisheries department. So this revolution aimed at improving fisheries and increase the fish production, primarily basically in the coastal regions. So there, and it sought to modernize fishing practice and improve the infrastructure. So this is what India introduced, with including the green revolution, white revolution and the blue revolution. Best of luck students for your examination, and do let us know if you are having any problem in Indian economy or any part of the microeconomics, macroeconomics. Do WhatsApp at the given number which are being provided with this.